Well, Seattle city leaders have changed their minds. Last week, they decided to end hazard pay for grocery store workers. Today, they said it should stay. King 5's Ted Land has been following this story for us. And Ted, why the abrupt change?
Well, that's because COVID cases are once again rising, and the mayor and city council leaders say they think grocery store workers are still working under hazardous conditions, and they should continue to receive an extra $4 an hour.
The Seattle City Council last week approved a plan to end hazard pay for grocery store workers in early 2022, but they did so with a warning.
We will consider hazard pay again for grocery store workers and other workers if needed on any new public health data that continues to make itself available.
Doctors are predicting a surge of COVID cases over the coming weeks, driven by the Omicron variant. And Mayor Jenny Durkan says she will veto the legislation that would have ended the $4 hazard pay, saying now is not the time to roll back pay for these critical frontline workers. Councilmember Teresa Mosqueda agrees, saying the variant puts frontline workers at an elevated risk.
We are grateful for the hazard pay, but the risk hasn't gone away, not yet.
Maggie Rashears works at Fred Meyer and is on the executive board of the UFCW 21 union, which represents grocery store workers.
I know I'm vaccinated, but I don't know who in the store is, and the customers are coming in, and it just seems like the store is more crowded than it ever has been.
Groups representing store owners slammed the city for the about face, saying hazard pay was always meant to be temporary.
Singling out the grocery stores over everyone else who's open right now is a bit frustrating for everyone, I think, in the industry. One of the most important things is that we have a really high vaccination rate. And so we are not seeing the spread as significantly as we did before, especially in working environments.
The city council says Seattle has had its hazard pay law in place 3 times longer than anywhere else in the nation. It's not yet clear when the city will end the hazard pay, but they say right now it's just too early. Live in Seattle, Ted Land, King 5 News.